The first thing you need to do after you've shaped your eyebrow is to remove excess hair fallout by cleaning with your facial wipe or baby wipe. And then next up is to prime your brow area with a mattifying primer, preferably Pond's mattifying primer. It helps you to absorb excess oil secretion in your brow area. So you apply gently with your fingertip and then you blend with your mascara wand, professionally called a spoolie, to help you remove those white traces that it forms on the brow. So the tools you'll be needing for this are your mascara wand, professionally called a spoolie, is what it looks like, and then you need a blending brush, a defining brush, or any angled brush or any flat brush of your choice. And then you'd also need a blending brush. This is a stiff blending brush for your brow, and then this is a fluffy blending brush. I'll be making use of both of them so you see how it looks, how it works. And that's a concealer. And then these are two eyebrow pencils, color 18 and color 3. So if you want dark brows, opt for your color 3. If you want light brows, opt for your color 18. So then to get started, we'll blend the eyebrow in place and then groom it in place with your mascara wand, just like this. And then you sketch your eyebrow with your pencil. I'm sketching here with color 18 pencil because I want my brow to be quite bold. So you start forming a straight line with your sharpened pencil tip. Your pencil tip has to be well sharpened, please. If it's not sharpened, it will come out blurry. So you make sure you form a straight line, just like so, from the start to the arc region. You form a little bit of circle there.